Hey guys, welcome back to the shop, or as I like to say when I do these Harbor Freight videos, welcome back to my computer. And today I want to do another little Harbor Freight thing for you. It's the 4th of July weekend coming up, and Harbor Freight is doing a kind of interesting sale. I think some of you might say it's not quite what you were hoping for, and some people might say, hey, this is pretty darn good. What they're doing is they are offering 10% off anything. No exclusions. Now, no exclusions always has a few exclusions. You can't use it for anything on the instant savings, which we see are going on right here, or anything on like the gift cards or the Inside Track Club membership itself. But for the most part, the Bauer brands, the U.S. Generals, going through the list here, the Daytona Jacks, all of your titanium welders, all of the things that are always excluded aren't excluded on this for 10% off. And the good news is it started today, which is Wednesday, June 30th, and is running through the holiday Monday, July 5th. The holiday is actually celebrated on July 5th. We know July 4th is Sunday this year. So you have quite a few days to deal with it. Now, today and tomorrow, Thursday the 1st, it's only open for Inside Track Club members. After that, it's open for everyone. As you can see right here, everyone saves. Let me click on this, make it a little bit bigger for you. They don't really make it much bigger. It is in store only, and it's limited one per customer per day. So you could technically do this every day the sale's going on. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday for you non-Inside Track Club members, and you could have started today and go all the way through Monday for you Inside Track Club members. So 10%, if you're buying a generator or a compressor, a welder, something that's a significant amount of money, you might be able to save a few coins on this little sale. Other than that, if you're doing your regular Harbor Freight shopping, the basket full of $10 and $15 items, since this is only good for one item, it's not much of a deal. There are better deals that they've done. I like the 30% off things under $10 or $20 deal much better than this one. But this is a good deal if you're making a larger, more substantial purchase. So I just wanted to put this out there for you because you guys seem to like and watch these Harbor Freight videos when I do them. So when I see something special there, I try to do it for you. So thanks for watching. As always, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and have a good day. And don't forget to hit your Harbor Freight this weekend.